Okay, this is Craig again with Broke Life 101. I'm here on canva.com, canva.com. It's a great place to make the pictures for your ads to place in within your ads, because if you don't put a picture in your ad, then it's just not going to get any traction. There's nobody going to look at it. They're just going to move right over it because pictures stop people. And so you want to make a picture that catches people's eyes. And to do that, you start here at canva.com and go ahead and sign up and take care of everything it takes to get signed up. It is free. There's nothing you have to do. And when you get signed up, click on create a design. You're going to be putting these mainly on Facebook, and so you want to choose, or I like to choose, the correct size, and it already has it here for you for social media. It's Twitter and social graphics, but I choose a Facebook post, which loads it up, and it's the right size to use from the start, and that way I'm good to go. And then then you can scroll down and find one that'll work for what you're doing. Right now, you can choose any of them because you can adjust them and make them. So let's just choose this one. And I don't like that background, so we'll just delete it off there. And the other stuff is still there, but the background is gone. So we'll need to put a background picture on there. Usually you need to do something with money to catch people's eyes, and choose photo. And you'll see that there's some that are free and some that are $1 and some that you got to be pro account to use. But you can choose, for example, this free one here that's got the money on there, which that catches people's eyes. But I like doing the less corny or less gimmicky ways and choose like a picture of a cell phone. And again, there's free pictures, and then there's some later on that costs money. But choose a simple picture with basically a simple background, because that allows you to write on it without having the writing disappear within the picture, because you want to choose a simple one, like light writing on a dark background. So this one will work good. And to cover the background, you just stretch it out to make sure that it covers the entire background. And on this one, it pulls the picture off, so I just slide it over a little bit, and that is done. And now you'll see your text. So for your text, you just click on the text and you write what you want to write. And for this, let's just say I can't type. We buy let's put used phones. And you can stretch it out to make it fit. And then you can also take and highlight it and make it a bigger writing, and still bigger, because you want to be able to catch their eyes. So we buy used phones. And to do this, you'll want to center it. Make sure it's centered. And I like to cover as much of the picture as possible. So we buy used phones. It's just right there. And then on this one, this is where you catch your attention. For cash. So we buy used phones for cash. Now, if you want to put something here, you can. You could put your website, you could put your name or your company name or whatever you want to do, or you can delete it altogether because you have that there. But just put I'll put my website, and so I don't continue to misspell things, I will copy it and I will paste it. You don't need the HTTP. Go ahead and get rid of that. Get rid of that. And I'll stretch it out a little. Put in the box where it goes, and then taking this and moving it down, or you can move it all the way down here. Anywhere on the picture you can put it. And you click off of it and it's there. You could also take, for example, this and move it up here so it catches the attention better. But on this one I like it right there. And there it is. You have a picture to go along with your ad. So you say file, save, and you have your picture to use. Now you can click download, and ping is good because it's smaller, and you click download and it's getting it all ready. You get that out, but as you see here on my screen, we have the picture, and it downloaded it to my downloads file, and you can open it however you want to. There it is. So there's your picture that you will add to your ads.